for Joint Committee Report Number 1, Series of 2023 of the Committee on Education and Information and the Committee on Appropriations relative to the Proposed Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-01-22 entitled An Ordinance Granting Incentives to Individuals Who Garnered the 10 Highest Places in the Board Examinations, More Examinations, and other national licensure examinations, authored by Honorable Bise Gobernador Garin. The Joint Committee, upon receipt of the said proposed provincial ordinance, conducted a joint committee hearing last February 14, 2023 at the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Session Hall. The Joint Committee was presided by Honorable Garin and was attended by the Joint Committee members and the guests from the other agencies, attendance of which are hereto attached as Annex A. The members of the Joint Committee and guests were given ample time to review and share insights in the provision of the proposed provincial ordinances. Copies of the minutes of the said hearing is hereto attached as Annex 2, and the corrections and amendments thereto are attached as Annex 3 for the reference of the members of this august body. In view of the foregoing, the Joint Committee respectfully recommends for the adoption of this committee report and that the proposed Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-01-22 entitled An Ordinance Granting Incentives and Resolutions of Commendations to Individuals who garnered the top 10 highest places in the board examinations, bar examinations, and other national licensure examinations be calendared for second reading in the next regular session.
Your Honor, for Committee Report 10-16, I move for the adoption of the report.
So move. Any second? Seconded by Honorable Herminanda, Honorable Distura, Honorable Palabrica, Tupas, and Soliano. Report hereby adopted.
Likewise, Your Honor, I move that this proposed Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-01-22 be calendared for second reading in the next regular session.
So move. Any second? Seconded by Honorable Mandiar, Soliano, Tupas, Herminanda, and Distura. The report of the Vice Governor is hereby referred to for the second reading of the next regular session.